Hey guys, and welcome back to the Chris Show. Today I'm reading a book called Eruptions, the story of volcanoes. Today, so please sit back and enjoy the book. Leave a like down below, comment which book you want me to read next. So sit back and enjoy. Be a volcano ranger. Be a volcano ranger. The first-hand real adventures. Learn about volcanoes, help take care of volcanoes, national parks, and about others. Win a certificate! Yeah! Things you can do. Watch an eruption from a safe distance. Collect interesting volcanic rocks. Hike from a rim up. Hike? What? Things you can do. Watch an eruption from a safe distance. Collect interesting volcanic rocks. Collect interesting volcanic rocks. Hike to the rim of a volcano and walk through lava tubes. But isn't that where the lava comes from the volcano? So they're gonna be burnt. Why would they go through lava tubes? What looks like a mountain but spits out fire? What shoots a cloud of smoke from the hole at its top? What sometimes explodes with a bang? A volcano, and it's starting to erupt. The story of a volcano starts underground. If you jump up and down on the ground, you feel solid and hard. But in the inside, it's so hard that the story of a volcano starts underground. If you jump up and down on the ground, it feels solid and hard. But in the inside, the earth, it's so hard that the rocks melt. The rocks are running like melted butter. Dun, dun. Sometimes the melted rock bursts off through a hole or a crack in the ground. This is how a volcano begins. The rock that comes out of a volcano is called lava. First, it is runny, red, and hot. It cools down in the air. It turns into hard, black rock. So hard black rock has become lava. Okay. To make a volcano model. To make a volcano model. Put make to make an erupting cone-shaped volcano. You're gonna need a bottle, a tray, sand, and baking soda, red food coloring dishwashing liquid, and vinegar. You can decorate your volcano with plants, stones, and toy animals. Place the bottle on the tray. Build a mound of sand around the bottle to keep the hole open. Mix together the baking soda, red food coloring, dish dishwashing liquid in a bottle. Then pour vinegar. Watch your volcano erupt. So guys, that's how you make a Nevada volcano. Oh no, I forgot step three. Step three is now place plants and toy animals around the volcano to make it look like a game. To make it look like a game, more realistic. Yeah, like when dinosaurs. were alive, but dinosaurs aren't even real. Volcanoes have different shapes and sizes. Some volcanoes erupt with a bang. Hard rocks and ash shoot high into the air. Some volcanoes have different shapes and sizes. Some volcanoes erupt with a bang. Hot rocks and ash shoot high into the air. These volcanoes form cone-shaped mountains with steep sides. Other volcanoes erupt quietly. The lava on top of the oozes gently out of the top and spreads all around. These volcanoes are low and wide. Some volcanoes erupt violently. They blast out clouds of hot ash and dust. The ash is made of tiny pieces of lava. The ash and dust shoot high into the air and lands near the volcano. It covers buildings and fields in thick, dark gray powder. At the top of a volcano is a hole called a crater. The hole is called the vent. Lava, ash, and dust come out of the vent. Some craters are many miles, kilometers wide, are many miles, kilometers wide. Cool, right? Yay! When the volcano stops erupting, the crater is left. Some old craters fill up with water to form huge lakes. Sometimes the craters become dry, plain, dry and grassy plain. Plain? When a volcano shoots out lava and ash, we say that it is erupting. We call a volcano that is erupting active. Kill a Kilauea. Kilauea in Hawaii is the most active volcano on Earth. It has erupted non-stop since 1983 at 1983. We call volcanoes that is not erupting doormat. Doormat, you're the That means it is sleeping, but it could erupt at any time. Montserrat is a tiny island in the Caribbean Sea. It used to be a beautiful place to live. Then, in 1995, a volcano called Chance's Peak started to erupt. In 1995, a volcano called Chance's Peak started to erupt. It had been dormant for 400 years. Many people had to leave their homes as ash fell everywhere. Some left the island and went to live in another country. It was too dangerous for them to stay. Mount V- V- Vesuvius, V- Vesu- Vesuvius, Mount Vesuvius is a volcano in Italy. In AD 79, Mount Vesuvius, Vesuvius erupted, finally bursting hot ash and gas into the air. The ash buried the town of Pompeii, and thousands of people died. Today we have cleared the ash away. You could walk around the streets of Pompeii and the Roman ruins. The cast of a dog covered by this ash. Recorded tournament. Um, Many volcanoes are famous for their eruptions and size. Here are some of their recorders. Here. Volcanoes can be useful on slopes. On the slopes of volcanoes, the soil is good for growing crops. In some places, blocks of solid lava used to be used to build roads, bridges, and houses. Precious gold and diamonds were found in some volcanic rock. One time I was told when you smash a hard rock, it turns into a diamond. Near a volcano, the underground rock gets very hot. The hot rock The hot rocks heat up the water, which turns into steam. Sometimes a giant jet of boiling water and steam bursts up through the ground and into the air. The jet is called a geyser. I already know that. Old Faithful. Oh, Old Faithful is a famous geyser, and Yellowstone Park. Windmine. And Windmill. It's got its name because It always bursts up once every hour. There are a lot of volcanoes under the sea. Yeah, under the sea. You can't see most of them, but some other um underwater volcanoes are so tall that they poke up from the sea to make islands. Whoa. Hawaii is the group of more than 100 islands in the Pacific Ocean. The islands are the tops. The islands are the tops. Some of these volcanoes have two or more craters. They erupt very gently. In some places, lava flows into the sea and makes it hiss and steam. Black sand, which is made from crushed up lava. But volcanologists Volcanologists are scientists who try to figure out how volcanoes work. They want to know when the volcanoes are going to erupt. Then the people living nearby can be moved to safety. But volcanologists have not found all the answers yet. No one knows when a volcano will erupt until it actually does. Volcanic myths. In myths, volcanic eruptions volcanic eruptions are caused by gods and goddesses. Vul- Vulcan. In Roman myths, he is a god of fire and crafts. The word volcano comes from his name, Vulcan's creek of the creek. His name is Hephaestus. In myths, he is lame. He always hides away in his workshops, which are under volcanoes. They, there, he heats up and shapes metal. Pele. She is a Hawaiian goddess of the volcanoes. The legends say that a volcano erupts when Pele gets angry. Surtur. Surtur. He is the Icelandic god of fire. The volcano, the volcanic, the volcanic island of Surtur is made after him. Fuji. She's the she's the Japanese goddess of fire. Mount Fuji is named after her. Rise to the top. See if you can find your way out of this volcano. If you if you answer the questions correctly, and you will. Oh, look! So, so when you get this book, tell me how you can get out of the volcano, okay? Glossary and index. Yeah, I finished the book. Yeah. These are other books that you can get from this book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I'm going low. I'm going for 100 likes. And for this episode I'm hoping I get 10 more subscribers. So for parents and kids all over the world, if you watch this video, please, if you watch my videos, please subscribe. Put a put a check, put ch like this video, and 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 put in the comments below what you want me to read next. I'm going for, remember. Remember, I'm going for of this video. I'm going for 10 likes. No, I'm going for 100 likes. And parents all over the world, I'm going for 10 more subscribers so that I can get 15. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.